Hello friends, welcome to another Gimp tutorial. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create triangle shape in Gimp. So let's get into it. So first we're going to create a new image. To do that, we go to File menu here and then New. So I'm going to create a square shape image, and that's why width and height is the same, 800 by 800. You can go with your desired dimension and then hit OK. Right, so now we have a square image here. Now we are going to activate the horizontal and vertical guides so that will allow us to navigate everything properly. So to do that, we go to image and from there guides and then new guide by percent. So here first we have vertical, hit OK, we got a vertical guide, and then we go again to the image menu, from there guides and then again new guide by percent. Now we change it to horizontal. Right, so now we have horizontal and vertical guides here. So the idea is to draw paths from here to here to here, but if we draw a path from here, let me activate the paths tool, from here to here and then here, so the distance from here to here is not the same. I mean, distance has to be the same in three ways, like a distance from here to here and then in both sides. So if we need to get accurate triangle, we can apply some techniques. So we activate the measure tool, that is going to help us to get exact measurement. If we drag a line up here or anywhere, so we see the pixel around here it's changed here. So let's say we want 800 pixel in both ways, so we then drag, yeah, it's 800.2, it's all right, we can keep it here. We can mark it with another guide. Right, so now we are going to check the distance from here to here, whether it's 800 or not. It's pretty much the same. And then we can check from here to here. So it's pretty much the same. You can take time to get the exact measurement, but just to show you, I'm not going to spend too much time into it. You can always spend more time to get an accurate measurement. So now we can draw a triangle path. To do that, we activated the paths tool, and then we simply click in the corner here, and then in this corner, and then we can close it by press command, and we can just click on any of these point, and then the pods will be connected. So now we can zoom out and see. We can always adjust the lines. All right, I think it looks fine. So now we can fill the triangle area or pots. To do that, we can go to edit menu and from there fill path. So you can change the foreground color according to your preference and make sure the solid color is selected and then fill. Right, so we got this shape. And then if you do not want to fill the entire area, you just can outline the pots. To do that, we go to edit menu again and then stroke pot. So here you can change the line width and also make sure the stroke line is selected and solid color is also selected, and then hit stroke. So we got these lines here, and yes, you can see a red line around here. It's because the pots is activated, so we have to deactivate it. we go to ports and then we just simply close it. You don't see the lines around here, it's because it's just outside the image area. So that's why I mentioned earlier that you take time to measure everything properly, but my intention was to show you how to create a shape, triangle shape in Gimp. So friends, I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Goodbye.